Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix connection issues of your Urbanista London. So this video will be definitely useful for you when you have, for example, the unstable connection between your earbuds and any device, or when you, for example, cannot pair them with your devices. So first of all, we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, and then we have to click and hold this button. It will take around 10 seconds until this indicator blinks 3 times together. So keep holding them. Also, our currently connection will disappear. Keep holding. It is blinking right now, but we have to keep holding. There we go. Right now you have to release. Right now they turns to the white solid light, and to perform the reset you have to close this case and then open it right now. Then to move them to the pairing mode, you have to click and hold this button one more time until they start blinking separately, like the left and the right side. There we go. Right now, when you select them from the previously connected devices, you will get the new pairing request, but also we can go to the pair new device and find them on the available devices list. But I probably have to get rid of them from this connection. Okay, they don't even appear right here. So let's go to pair them. If they are not going to appear, we have to basically do the same. So click and hold this button to move them to the pairing mode. Now release. I can also recommend you to restart the Bluetooth settings if you cannot find them, but as you can see, after a few moments they appears on available devices list. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.